Hey, what's up? I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me, they coming for my life. I don't stop at night. It's Molly Miss. I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me.
It's your boy Pablo, and I'm back with another back in the game. You already know. You know what I'm saying? Let me stop playing. But yes, man, this weekend was lit. It's fun. I got to hang out with people I aspire to kind of see. People I see myself in them. Like, rich as fuck. I'm rich in life, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm good, I got brother in my body and everything. But financially, I'm trying to get where they at, you know what I'm saying? Take care of my family. So to have, like, to be around them and hang out, we would have done this. I ate dinner with Life before at SRTBREE. It wasn't food, we had seafood and shit. Hands was stinking and shit, but that shit was lit, man. We was all in the same space, just chilling, vibing. You know what I'm saying? Nobody really recorded because I didn't record because I felt like it was like a private moment for them. You know what I'm saying? They real deal friends. I'm hoping we all become friends. Like, which I think we all cool. Everybody took pictures, they smiled, they got on the camera for me and everything. But we don't know each other. So I was like, all right, well, this is an opportunity. So we hung out, everybody ate and shit, and we cool. Then a little gas station takeover, little highway takeover, then we separated. I hold SRTBREE, I hold Corey, I hope everybody get home safe, but the people I interacted with, and I know, like, I hope y'all get home safe, man, safe travels for everybody, you know what I'm saying? Look like after Corey left us, though, that butt when it cut up a little bit, like, damn, now we wasn't invited, looking at it. But yeah, man, I'm trying to get my dog this shot and shit. I don't know what just happened. This lady has been trailing us the whole time. While we running on the highway right now. when y'all start seeing these videos, I don't know which videos y'all gonna get first, but when y'all watch these videos, man, just understand your boy was trying. I had to be everywhere. And I was just like, damn, I just want to get y'all some good content, man, because I want y'all to see how lit this shit was for real. And I actually missed a lot of footage with certified_392. Make sure y'all check him out on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Big out. Oh man, people throwing trash all around. But yeah, when Corey left us at the gas station, he went somewhere else, and by his Instagram, that boy was cutting up, man. I kind of wanted to cut up a little bit too, man. I was thinking about it, and then when you go nowhere else, I was like, dang. Then today I was gonna spin it, but I like it was across the street from a funeral home. I like, oh, they probably won't want to hear all that noise, and it was crowded, so I like, it's probably cars and stuff there. So, but yeah, we just on our way to the crib, man. I'm just getting y'all something. I'm kind of bored. I've been listening to the same songs for like months now, so I just want to come and talk to y'all and shit. Man, if you can, man, ask me something in the comments. Let's get some conversation.
Marley Mitch.
You know what I'm saying?
I'ma keep that shit 100. Is you gonna keep that shit 100? Huh? Hey. When I drive, I can't do less than 100. She wanna be with me, but she less than 100. I can't sleep at night, I see them demons coming, and that's 100. I'm forever 100. Keep it 100 and nothing less. No iffy shit, just get it off your chest. Keep it 100 and nothing less. No iffy shit, just get it off your chest. Keep it 100 with me, I be 100 with you. Is you really for me, or is you down with the crew? I heard that boy got a gun, I wonder is he gon' shoot? Up it at the wrong nigga, boy, I bet you gon' lose, yeah. He mad cause the girl had to choose. I can't really help that she like how I move. Lately I've been feeling like I need me a cool, just to tell motherfuckers I ain't got enough room. I'm a filthy nigga, but I keep me a broom. Sweeping niggas up, get the fuck out the room. I only spent 100, but don't step on my shoes. I don't fuck with them, cause them niggas is fools. I'm a filthy nigga with a broom. I spend 100, nigga, but don't step on my shoes. Kicking fuck niggas out the room. I don't fuck with them, cause them niggas fool. When I drive, I can't do less than 100. She wanna be with me, but she less than 100. I can't sleep at night, I see them demons coming, and that's 100. I'm forever 100. Keep it 100 and nothing less. No iffy shit, just get it off your chest. Keep it 100 and nothing less. No iffy shit, just get it off your chest. Rolling hard, I've been up 24/8. RIP to Kobe, we need a fucking break. I'm tryna be like Cedric, dripping down in bacon. I don't see you niggas, man, you niggas fake. And your girl told me what you said. You better watch where you lay your head. To be 100, man, them niggas fed. I can see it in their eyes, man, them niggas scared. Molly Mitch, thumbing through the bread. Take the what and leave the what, I ain't hear what you said. My mama say I'm living fast. I slow down, but my foot still be on the gas. To be 100, man, them niggas fed. I see it in their eyes, man, them niggas scared. Molly Mitch, thumbing through the bread. Take the what and leave the what, I ain't hear what you said. When I drive, I can't do less than 100. She wanna be with me, but she less than 100. I can't sleep at night, I see them demons coming, and that's 100. I'm forever 100. Keep it 100 and nothing less. No iffy shit, just get it off your chest. Keep it 100 and nothing less. No iffy shit, just get it off your chest.
Mr. Game Over 904. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go check their pages. I'm gonna make sure I put that. Oh, that's saying killer message. Let's close this. There we go. And so I'm gonna make sure I put that in the thing so y'all can see. Go check them out, man. We had an amazing time, man. There's good vibes all over the place. You know what I'm saying? It's in. Let me tell you, I'm gonna give y'all a surreal. Not surreal, but I'm gonna give y'all a real ass moment, bro. Listen. This is the second time I done had to go to a YouTuber's meet, and I ain't been in a position to be there, bro. But I I know the reason that I be able to do it. This is what I stand on, who I believe in. That's why I have this work. Every time I go, I have a great time. I get the best time. I don't worry about that because I've been given a plan.
Trapping is a habit, I still keep it ratchet. 100 plays, making plays. I keep a cage just in case. 448, I'm on the way. He got a stick, she got a taste. Hit his ass for half a piece, but he want the whole plate. We got glocks with dicks, got more niggas with sticks. I done pulled up, popped off nigga for popping your shit. I done prayed for better days, the devil winning that shit. Better bitch just wanna fuck, I keep fucking that bitch. I keep that phone when it's heat. Tryna be full, not eat. They say sour, who that is? They say that little nigga eat. Y'all just drip for a season. Hold this sauce on the season. I stay down for a reason, cause I just trap,
It happens for me. So, with that being said, man, if you believe in yourself,
say that ass, that's what I like. Sour, get it wet. I talk about Trump and count right. She ain't no feelings, I can't feel. My heart filled with pain. Where I grew up to, he never told them things. Trap shit, real shit, don't need a pill to pop shit. I pop them off, then I peel. And she wants something to feel. And I got something to prove. I like my bitches in twos. Serve a plate, dodge a case. My grandmama got faith. Ain't no taking no breaks. She come first, I'm late. I turn boring to fun. She slap that dick on her tongue. That dick hang out his gun. Stephen Curry, my gun. Bitch gon' slip on this drip. Spin that shit on this drip. Cause I just trap, what is that?
Was lit. Big Muffler delete coming. Soon we get home, baby. Soon as we get home, I'm getting that bit. Don't worry, it's coming. I'm gonna get it, cause bruh, by the time y'all will be done seeing this video, and by the time you see this video, I be done had the mid muffler delete. I be done put the tire stickers on, and I be done did the wicker bill. Cause I ain't going basic no more. No more basic. No more basic. All right, y'all be good.